In this video, I'm going to show you how to export in Studio One. So there's going to be a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them right now. The main things are going to be happening within the Event tab and the Session tab up top. So let's first begin by making a selection. You want to select what you actually want to export. If you want to export the entire thing, the easiest way would be to press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all of it, or just go and click and drag like that and make a selection. You could also make and start and end selection over here, so wherever you want it to be, and you could do it that way, or you could go and just select a part of it. Now, if you're trying to just export part of it, the best way is going to be to actually go to the top, click on Event, and then you can go and bounce selection or mix down selection, which is going to create a new track, and you can then go and of course click on it, Event, and then you could go and click on mix down or export selection, and that's going to export it right away. Okay, that's the quickest way to do this, but of course you could also make a selection, Event, export selection. That's going to work too. But then of course, if you don't want any selections and you want to export everything, you can just go to Session, top left, and click on Export Mixdown. You can click on this, and that's going to export everything. You can see your duration over here. It's going to tell you exactly what it is. And of course here, you also have the option to select where you want to save it, what file you want to save as, the export range you want to use, and then over here, you can also go and select loudness, the options, etc. Hit the OK button, and that's going to save it, of course, and open up a new kind of pop-up file explorer over here to show you where it has saved this. So that's how to export in Studio One. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.